Dumating na yung Songmont ko. Let's open. I'm so excited. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's exactly what I imagined it to be. Sobrang cute niya. Wait. Sa website, medyo parang yung pagka-burgundy niya, parang almost violet ganun. Parang papunta sa ganun. Pero dito, it's like a rich chocolatey brown. I'm too excited. I don't know how other people unbox their new things without any emotion. Like, how do you do that? I cannot. How do I don't want to ruin this thing. So, kailangan ko siyang gupitin. Ooh, that is so cute. May ganyan siya. Yan. Of authenticity. Y'all. The strap and the inside. How do you close it? Ooh, I'm so happy. I am so happy. Yung ilalim. Okay, na-adjust ko na according to the length that I want. Pwede pa siyang mas maigsi. Meron pa akong isa dito. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is cute. No? That is really cute. Huh? You're like, going on a trip. And you have your small little bag. Oh, meron pa ako nitong feet. Tatanggalin ko ba? Ay, ganun lang siya. Ay, ang cute. Well, I have to remove it, I think. Yung iba nila, hinahayaan lang nila. Para, ang ganda kasi nung gold against the dark burgundy shade. Looks elegant. So, I'm gonna remove that. And let people notice. It's got gold hardware. Yeah? It's cute. Oh my gosh. Or you can just carry it like this. Ganyan. Da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da. You can, I don't know if you can tell how happy I am. My phone, my echo bag, my wallet, and my pouch. Hindi nga lang kasya yung ano. Kunyari ito, gusto ko sana ilagay itong payong ko. Pero puno na siya, ito pa lang. Itong mga ito pa lang. Ano naman, marami naman nakalagay dito sa pouch ko. So I guess, that's fine. Pag i-push kong ipasok, ilagay ito dito. Ay, ganyan. Nasa pinakailalim yung payong. Sasarap pa naman. But it's bursting at the seams. Malakas naman yung magnet. Ayan, kasya naman pala. Pero, ayan, may mga nakatukod-tukod. Kita ba? Ayan na. Yung wallet ko yata yun. Pero kung yung everyday essentials, di ko naman lagi dala yung payong ko. Tagalin ko ba? Tada! Ayan, very comfortable. Yeah, it's so cute! Right? It is cute. You can remove the strap altogether and just use it as a handbag. Carry like this. Or maybe like this. Like that. Little sophisticated handbag. So cute. I saw the models on Songmont carrying a bag like this because it looks like it's so small you can actually do that. Hi! I'm in love! I really do. Goodbye. This is a goodbye. This is a cute leather bag. I am proud of this purchase. Cute, structured, but also still soft. It's soft. Parang nagaganon-ganon mo siya.